Hey, animal lovers! Today, I'm super excited to share some heart-melting facts about one of the cutest big cat babies out there, the baby jaguar. Did you know, when baby jaguars are born, they can't see anything at all? That's right. For the first 2 weeks, their eyes are completely shut, and they rely totally on mom for protection and guidance. And oh, they're born with all those iconic jaguar spots. These aren't just for cuteness, though. They help camouflage these little adventures in the wild, keeping them safe from predators. Now, get ready for this. Baby jaguars start practicing their roar at just a few months old. Imagine tiny little roars trying to sound fierce. It's just adorable. Speaking of food, these cubs are introduced to meat as early as 6 weeks old by their mama. Yep, they grow up fast in the wild. But here's something that really tugs at the heartstrings. Baby jaguars spend up to 2 years with their moms, learning how to hunt and survive. It shows just how strong the bond is between the mother and her cubs. So there you have it, some utterly adorable facts about baby jaguars that I promise will make you love these magnificent creatures even more. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more heartwarming animal facts. Bye, everyone.